Former President Trump in more legal hot water, this time involving efforts to overturn the 2020 presidential election. Good afternoon, I'm Elizabeth Cook. Trump announced in a social media post that he was informed he is the target of a criminal probe and that he was told to appear before a grand jury. It all comes as we are following a hearing in another case against Trump about potential mishandling of classified documents. Christian Benavides with the very latest.
Former President Donald Trump says he has received a letter informing him that he is a target of the Justice Department's investigation into efforts to undo the results of the 2020 presidential election. This comes the same day the first pre-trial conference is being held in connection with the federal case against him relating to his handling of classified documents. At issue is a 1980 law known as the Classified Information Procedures Act.
It's balancing national security concerns on the one hand and a defendant's due process concerns on the other hand.
The former president is facing 37 criminal counts, including the willful retention of national defense secrets in connection to documents at his Mar-a-Lago state. He was defiant after pleading not guilty.
We have a rigged country. We have a country that's corrupt.
The judge in the case, Eileen Cannon, issued an order last year granting Trump's request for a special master that was later overruled by a 3-judge appeals court. A big question mark is whether Judge Cannon, who was appointed by former President Trump, will rule for the prosecution or the defense about when the trial should begin.
The prosecution has said, we want to go to trial in December. We want to do this quickly. And the defense has said, let's postpone this indefinitely.
The former president is the current frontrunner for the Republican presidential nomination. He wants the trial delayed until after the election.
A spokesman for special counsel Jack Smith, who is leading the investigation, did not comment on Trump's claim he received a target letter.